Hi folks, today we are going to solve one problem statement in Java. In problem statement they have given one matrix A. Then we have to rotate this matrix into 180 degrees. Then we will get one new matrix. We say it as a 180 degree matrix. Next step is we have to compare this resultant matrix with original matrix. If these two matrices are same, then we will return true, else false. This problem statement looks like simple, but the logic behind this problem statement is somewhat tricky. But don't worry, I am here to make this logic easy for you. Let's see logic behind this problem statement. First consider resultant matrix, that is 180 degree matrix, and write all numbers with their position. Here position nothing but row and column values. Then look into original matrix for getting the position for the same number from the original matrix. For example, consider number 9 which is present at 0, 0 location in 180 degree matrix, and in case of original matrix it is present at 2, 2 position. Like that, remaining numbers are written. Now observe the positions in two matrices. In 180 degree matrix, the row is starting from 0 and ending with 2. In case of original matrix, the row is starting from 2 and ending with 0. Coming to column values, in 180 degree matrix, in each row the column starts with 0 and ends with 2. In case of original matrix, in each row column starts with 2 and ends with 0. I hope you understand this logic. You will get more clarity during its implementation. Now it's time to write code for this logic in Java. First of all, I have created one class tester. In that class, I defined main method. In that main method, I just wrote the matrix which is given in the problem statement in the form of multi-dimensional array. Here I have declared one variable and initialized with the length of the matrix. Length of the matrix is equal to the number of rows. Here 3. In next line, I created one empty multi-dimensional array for storing 180 degree matrix. Coming to this block of code, it will rotate the given matrix into 180 degree and stores 180 degree matrix into empty array. For better understanding of this block of code, compare with logic whichever I explained previously. The row of matrix 180 degree starts with 0, ends with 2. The row of matrix A starts with 2, ends with 0. In the same way, the column of matrix 180 degree starts with 0, ends with 2. The column of matrix A starts with 2, ends with 0. Coming to its working, it fetches value from matrix A which is present at 2, 2 location and add to matrix 180 at 0, 0 location. Then again it fetches value from matrix A which is present at 2, 1 location and add to matrix 180 at 0, 1 location. Again it will fetches value from matrix A present at 2, 0 location and add to matrix 180 at 0, 2 location. This process will be continued for remaining numbers. In this manner, we will get 180 degree matrix from original matrix. Coming to next part of the code, only for your reference, these two for each loops are used for printing two matrices into console. Then see this block of code. It will check whether two matrices are same or not. It will check values of matrix 180 one by one with values of matrix A. For your understanding, see here the values will be taken from matrix 180 and matrix A which are present at same location, that is 0, 0 location. Okay. This process will be continued for remaining numbers. If any mismatch occurs at that time, this if block will be executed. Then we will see in console false, matrices are not equal. If two matrices are equal, then this if block will be executed. Then we will see in console true, matrices are equal. Let me execute this code. See output. False, matrices are not equal. If I give input matrix as unit matrix, then we will see output. See here, true, matrices are equal. I hope you have understood this code. Thanks for watching.